So a customer ordering a light kit, we're gonna place this. First thing I have to do is make sure I put my batteries in there because it's currently empty, which is simple, same as any TV remote. Just take your batteries, open them up, and place them the correct way. So, 2. And we can't see the plus sign, there we go. And then we go on this side, that's already on off, on off. So now, secure it. The backside does have this sticky part, like the 3M tape. We're gonna wait a moment. First, we wanna see where we wanna place it inside the restroom. I will always suggest placing it on something like the paper holder since it is a flatter surface. If you stick it to the wall with the door opening and closing, it might fall off, and now it's just gonna be end up in the tank possibly. We are gonna make sure the surface is clean enough. This is fairly dusty, so I wanna make sure if I place it here, I'm wiping it off. Now we will pull this sticker. Press it down, make sure it works. Staying in place. And if you slam the door, it should stay more than it would if it were on a wall.